The driver monitoring camera malfunction warning in your Mazda 3 indicates the system isn't functioning correctly. The driver monitoring system uses a camera near the rearview mirror to track driver attentiveness. This warning doesn't mean your car is unsafe to drive, but it can disable features like adaptive cruise control. Common causes include lens obstructions like dirt or fingerprints, poor lighting, or software glitches. First, clean the camera lens located near the rearview mirror with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Make sure nothing is blocking the camera. For a system reset, turn off the ignition, press the start button for 10 seconds without starting the engine, then restart the car. These simple steps resolve the issue in about 80% of cases, according to experts. If the warning persists after cleaning and resetting, check for available software updates via the My Mazda app or at a Mazda dealership. Mazda has released over-the-air patches like version 84.00.100 Plus for 2021-2024 models to improve system reliability. Low battery voltage, below 12 volts, can also trigger the warning. Make sure your vehicle's battery is properly charged. If software updates don't resolve the issue, a professional diagnosis at a Mazda dealership is needed. They can recalibrate the camera or replace faulty components, which can cost between $200 and $500. Note that high humidity can increase malfunction rates, so consider anti-fog coatings if you live in a humid climate. This helps maintain camera visibility and system performance. If DIY fixes don't work, prioritize professional assistance to maintain safety feature functionality. Regular maintenance helps ensure your driver monitoring system operates reliably.